Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about top 7 places on the planet where gravity doesn't work. Number 1. A House of Mysteries of Oregon of US. There is a remote Caribbean in the deep forest built near the mystical origin vortex. Native Americans call an area from dying of down a places be avoided. It is believed that there is some kind of a shapecal of force field here, half of which is below ground level, the other above. It makes people feel really a different way. There is also broom here that doesn't fall. Wherever you places into cabin in will continues of the stand upright. In these mystical places wall roll of up completely fold surface. There is no trickery here. Tourists have even most special devices and measure that little of the angle. Number 2. The road at the foot of Mountain Egret in Armenia. On the border of Turkey and Armenia, there is a mountain that blows of people's mind. Thousands of travelers come to this mountain every year in order to witness of the amazing anti-gravity phenomenon. If you turn off your car engine at the bottom of the mountain, the car will go uphill by itself. There's a river nearby that goes uphill too. Many people who have been here claim it's earlier to go uphill than go downhill. Number 3. Hoover Dam in Nevada, US. When you climb up to hill this dam, which is 726.4 feet tall, you can do simple experiment. Try to pour some water out of a bottle. The liquid won't flow as usual. But it will fly up. The same thing happens if we try throw of the light object from same height. It will float because of the strong airflow. Number 4. Devil's Tower, Wyoming, US. Devil's Tower is formation located the Bear Lodge Range district of a Black Hill. The perfect shape and size of the most important site Wyoming. Climbers love it too, but some reason climbers that have gone up Mount Everest can't climb to the top of Devil Tower. It's only 1,267 feet tall, but because of its steep walls, it's impossible to get the very top, and it would be even harder than return back down. Number 5. The Mysterious Road in South Korea. Empty bottles and cans let on or trot on the Jeju Island usually roll uphill. Tourists have tried it many times. inventive authorities have quickly made these places a tourist attraction, have when put a plaque nearby then shows where the gravitational anomaly starts. Number 6. The Golden Boulder in Myanmar. This rock is covered with golden and looks in like going to fall down at any second, but in reality, it has been sitting in the same places for 2500 years. The boulder sitting at 49 feet high along with a pagoda built on top of it. According to the story, the boulder is held by Buddha's hair that inside of it. The boulder are not fixed. Anyone who could move in the even nature hasn't thrown down yet. It's said that only a woman can move the boulder. So because of this, women aren't allowed to touch the stone. Number 7. Stone of Davisco in Argentina. This huge boulder has lost of battle against gravity. The stone that weighed more than 300 tons had been sitting on the edge of massive rock for several thousand of years, being tilling a bit. The local checked it. They put a glass bottle at the bottom and it's cracked. On February 29, 1912, the Davisco stone fell down. It was real shock of the local people, and 95 years later they put a plastic copy of it back. Its weight only 9 tons and its flicks on the rock.